In today's video, I will show you how you can check your connected Wi-Fi password if you have forget. So just click on your password. You have to press long. After that, you have to click on QR code from where you can share your password, share your network. So just let me click. After that, you have to take screenshot. So let me take screenshot of my QR code. Then after that, you have to open google app, and here you have to type QR code scanner. Then scroll down. You have to select this website. Don't select any sponsor website. Now wait 2 to 3 seconds. Scroll down, and here you have to copy your link screenshot which you have taken. After that, here you can see your password has appeared. So this is my password, which is started from this to this. So let's try this password is correct or not. So I am copying this password, and now I will forget my password. Then again, here I will type this password, and now I will connect it to my Wi-Fi. So here is a magic. You can see my Wi-Fi password has been connected. So hope so you like the video.